talk about everything I've spent on this LS460. Let's dive into it. What's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Tuned in Washington. Today we're going to be covering every single mod that was spent on this Lexus LS460. I'm going to go into detail and the cost breakdown of everything. Keep in mind this doesn't include maintenance such as gas and insurance. This is just purely mods. First and foremost is the cost of the vehicle. This 2008 LS460 was $11,995 from a dealership. That's tax, title, and licensing. Starting with the front end. Headlight tint, 50 bucks. Fog light tint, 20 bucks. The Automotive Federation Japan emblem was 15. I had the front bumper resprayed because of rock chips. That was 500 bucks. The Lexus Society banner was $25. And the well visors were 80 bucks. Tint for all four windows and the back glass was $450. The roof is wrapped gloss black by the same shop. That cost 300 bucks. Rear spoiler, $270, paint matched on eBay. Rear diffuser, 35 bucks, also from eBay. That brings the exterior cosmetics to $1,920 even. We're gonna dive into the inside now. Diving onto the inside, we have the Junction produce pillows. These were $120 for the set. Have it on the back seat as well as the driver's. Cobra Radar detector, $120. New Lexus OEM floor mats, $120. And the F-Sport shift knob that replaced the stock shift knob because it was peeling, that was $70. That brings our total interior cost to $830. And I also have a Grom VLine V1 built into the dash installed. That was $400. Gives you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Moving on to the exterior performance mods, we have the Enkei TSR-X. These are the 20s in bronze and 9.5. These were $1,300 for the set, wrapped in some Lexani tires. I know I cheaped out on tires. We're stretched, so we're not going high performance on these puppies. These were $700. I live in a ghetto, so I have locking lug nuts. These are $80. They have saved my wheels countless times. And in order to adapt the Enkei wheels to the Lexus, we had to get some 5x120 to 5x114 wheel adapters, which allow us to do that. Rounding it off, you can't see it, but there are some TPMS sensors in these wheels and tires. They are $80, so we don't throw any lights on the dash. And finally, we have $20 Lexus valve stem. So that brings our external performance modifications to $2,330. Under the hood, we'll start off with the Tom's oil cap. That was $80. Under this engine cover, we have two K&amp performance air filters that totaled to $120. And of course, we are slammed on coilovers. You can't see them here. We are on the Megan Easy Street 2s. So that came out to $750. On the back, the rear mufflers and resonators were deleted. That was $200 from an exhaust shop. Sounds good. The R1 concept brakes were $450. I did all four rotors and pads. Interior LED kit, 50 bucks. We have metal pedals, which were also 50 bucks. And my Bluetooth scanner there, the check for OBD2 codes, that was $40. So that brings the total internal performance mods to $1,860. That pretty much wraps up everything. The grand total for this vehicle in terms of modifying it over the last 3 years is a total of $18,935. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys comment, rate, and subscribe. We're gonna continue pushing out more videos, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.